Yes sir, back at you with another video of the Pull-Up King. This video we got a 2016 Kia Soul Plus, and we're doing a spark plugs and coil pack. We're gonna do the whole coil pack, all four, do the set, and I'm gonna also do a shocks, front shocks, the front shock assembly, both sides. So if y'all want to see that, stick around. I'm gonna link in the description. I'll make it a separate video. Let's get it. All right, we got our spark plugs, laser iridium. It's the part number. Anti-seize, 10mm. Get these bolts out, holding the coil packs. And then you want to push these clips back and press that tab in. Disconnect. That one not coming straight out. Gotta move this out the way and maneuver it through. 5/8 ratchet extension. Get that out. Get those spark plugs. That anti-seize. Brush it through them threads before installing. Alright, our new coil packs. It's the part numbers. Alright, that's gonna be it for that service. Hey man, stay tuned. You can hit the link for the shocks. That's coming next. So next video, Pull-Up King.